Hi, I'm Megan from WTI, and I want to tell you why I love this Omega Paw Tricky Treat ball. Just try to say that 3 times fast because it's pretty fun. The reason why I love this ball is because my trainer told me to get a puzzle toy for my dog that was unpredictable. Predictable toys, once they figure out how to get the treat, become old news pretty fast and they don't want to play with it anymore, or doesn't take them long and they get the treat and they walk away. The beauty of this is it's unpredictable. There's one hole that the treats can come out of, and so as they're playing with it and rolling it around, every time they play with this, it's going to be a different story. So it's going to stimulate their brains. In fact, I was told by my trainer that you can tire a dog out faster when you stimulate their brain than you can through exercise. So if you live in an apartment, or perhaps you live in an area where the weather doesn't always allow you to take your dog for a walk as often as you would like, I would highly suggest this treat ball. It's going to be a lifesaver for you. My dog loves it. I'm sure your dog's going to love it. And that's my point of view.